Okay, we are back with week 5 of solo mining on GoMining. We have officially run out of GMT. The last GMT that we used to pay for maintenance was yesterday, so we are fully out of it now. We only have $1.08 left, but we do have a good amount of BTC in my virtual wallet, just under $500. Once that gets to 500, I'll probably transfer that to my Trezor wallet, which, you know, my little Trezor suite down here. Still got our 2 miners. This one, you know what? We're just gonna, there we go. We delisted it. Why not? Why not? We're just gonna keep it. Doesn't seem like it's gonna sell. Rather get those rewards, and with those rewards I have a total of 0.0247089 Bitcoin. It says it's about $2,581.41, and over here on the current price it says it's $2,587.24. A few dollars extra, not bad, $6 or so. You can see the rewards, boom, just a steep drop. But we are a few days behind on recording this, so for this week we were still able to use all of our GMT to pay for it, so we got a total of 0.0078210 Bitcoin in that week with 215 terahash. Pretty damn good. At the current rate, that is $81.89 for the week. Pretty good, close to $100 again, and for the last time until or if we do get GMT again. For now on, we're going to be getting, from what it seems, less than half of what we were getting before. Ooh, it's a big recline, but I guess with next week's video, we'll see just how much we made, what the recline is, and we'll also have an update on how much we made throughout the entire month of May. I'm pretty sure I made a few $100s, 3 to 4 at least, which is not bad. If you guys want to sign up, start mining yourself, you can get a little 5% bonus terahash on your first miner purchase. So if you purchase 100 terahash, you will get an extra 5 terahash on the side. That is only if you sign up with my referral link, which will be down in the description. I really wish I did that when I signed up, because that extra 5 terahash, that's literally over like $100. Well worth it. And until the next video, we'll see you guys soon, and have a good one.
Chances, I'ma buy low, then I'ma say a high.